So this is the unboxing of Acer Swift 5 Pro. I have been looking for months now, researching, reading reviews about laptops because I've been saving up in order to buy one as I need it for my work. And this is what I decided to get, finally. To be honest, I have opened this before, yesterday. I have uh, I have checked how it works, how it functions, how fast it is, how comfortable it is on typing and so on. And now I'm about to show it to you. So this is the original box. Opala. Here we have some paperwork, some instructions. We have the warranty here. This protective cartoon. And here is the laptop itself, which we would open afterwards, after seeing the charger. So this is the charger, typical used charger. We'll pull that out later on. This is the laptop. I'll just leave it here for a while, maybe to remove this package. Opala. This is a protective cloth. Quite difficult to do this while having my phone on the one hand. Yeah, this is the laptop. As you can see, it's a 14-inch. We'll go later on the specifications. It is a beauty, isn't it? Quite thin. Okay, it cannot be opened with one hand. This is the laptop. So, it is Core i7, 8th generation. It packs 16 gigabytes of RAM. It is one of the most lightweight laptops, ultrabooks in the world, with just 170 grams. It is made with magnesium alloy in combination with aluminium. The price of this laptop, at least in the European market, is ranging, depending on the specifications that you want to get, this is the best you can get. So this would be around 1,300, 1,500, somewhere in between. Depends where you get it or how you buy it and so on. Yeah. Here I'll show you the specifications as well. It is Windows Pro. It has a multi-touch screen, like you can see, which is very responsive. Yeah, we'll turn it on now. This is Acer booting up. What a gorgeous screen, right? It has a finger sensor right here, like you can see. Backlit keyboard. These are the specifications. This is the touch screen. Quite easy to use, to be honest. We can check the camera as well. It's not that good, to be honest, for such a laptop, but if the room in which you are in is well lit, then it will do the job. This would be it. Very responsive, very light, very good on typing. I will post a link down below to see the detailed specifications of this laptop. And yeah, I would highly recommend it. So this is the first review of my laptop ever done. If you have any questions, please ask on the comment section. I would be happy to answer. And like I said, I'll also show you the charger. This is the charger. It supports fast charging, I believe. This is the pin, quite thin. Here we have an audio jack. We have a battery indicator, battery charging indicator. We have on the other side a USB Type-C and two 3.0 USB plug. We have a HDMI cable, and that is the charging place. In the back we have the battery reset button, and that's about it. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next review, enjoy your time. Thank you.